Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to make a video using software on your computer called OBS, which is Open Broadcast Software. So once you have downloaded the software, you're going to find it on your computer. For us on our Macs, I have mine right down here. This is what it looks like. You would also go up here and search for OBS and it would come up. So once I have it ready, I'm going to double click and open it. And the first video, I'm just going to show you how to do your back layer, your front video of whatever person you want to be in front of the back. And then we're also going to show you how to use the green screen software. Okay, so we open up, it looks like this. And you can actually make multiple scenes that you can switch to as you're recording. Right now, we're just going to do simple and do one scene. Okay, so scene one, beautiful. Over here in sources, we need to add our sources. And we're going to layer. The first source is going to be the picture that's going to be behind us. And the second source is going to be the video of us. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the plus. And I'm going to go to image. So what this is going to do, it's going to bring it up here and say image. I can keep it named image. If I know what image I have and I want to be a little bit clear, I can. We're going to be doing the Magic Kingdom today. So I'm going to write in Magic Kingdom just so I know that that's what that specific image is. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So now I'm going to click Browse and it's going to go look on my computer for it. So I'm going to open up and I know I put mine in my desktop. So I just went on Google Images and grabbed a picture that I wanted to use and saved it to my desktop. So now I'm going to click on the Magic Kingdom and I'm going to click Open. There's my picture. I'm feeling good about it. So I am going to click OK. So you see here, we got the picture and you see how the red is outside. That means the picture is bigger than the actual space. So I can play with it a little if I want. I can pull it in and move it up. And if you actually click over here to studio mode, this is going to show me on the right hand side what it's going to look like in the video. So I could go back and so click on studio mode to get out of that. And maybe I want a little bit more of him. So I'm going to drag it down and I'm going to bring this over here. And go to studio mode and check it out. And that seems good for me right now. I'm good. So I could play with that until I kind of made it what I want to. So now this is what I want to project on my green screen. Now I want to add the layer of me. I want me in front of the Magic Kingdom. So I am going to click plus again. And this time I'm going to pick the second one from the bottom, video capture device. Okay, so you can name this whatever you want. I leave mine video capture device because it's just going to be me. I could name it me if I wanted to, but I'm going to click OK. And now it's going to ask me what device do I want to use. We're using Macs, so I am going to use my FaceTime HD camera. Okay, so right now you see I've got a green screen behind me. Hello, everyone. Got a green screen behind me. You see, though, that there's stuff on the sides of the shot. So first of all, sometimes you're going to have to move your camera to get a better look at it when your camera is your actual computer. You can also go down here to preset and say, well, let's see what it looks like if I do 640 times 480. These are dimensions of the shot. A little bit better, okay? So, and then I might be able to move my camera to get it so I don't have any of the white up in here. Maybe I want to do 352 times 288, try it out, a little bit better. And from here, you'd be able to move. Now, if I had a taller green screen, that would help. If I had wider. So I think I'm going to leave it at here right now. Actually, I think I'm going to go back to 640 times 480. That tends to be my favorite, okay? Okay, so here we go. We got 640. I'm feeling good. I'm going to go to OK. And here we are. Okay, so from here, like here I am, I'm hovering over Walt Disney and I'm blocking him. So I can move it to wherever I would like to be in the picture. I can drag it out and make it bigger. And once you play with this, you're really going to see how for every picture it's a little bit different. And it's great, but right now I'm just hovering head with a green screen background over a pretty picture. Okay, so we haven't done any melding. So we need to meld it right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell this software that every time it sees a green screen that we want it to kind of disappear and just have the photo. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on the video capture device words down here. So on the Mac, you're going to push Control, click, and you're going to go to the second last one right here, filters. Okay. So down here, we're not doing audio video filters. We're going to do effect filters. And I'm going to push the plus button. And what we are going to do is exactly right here, chroma key. Chroma key is a fancy word for green screen. Okay. So I'm going to leave it the name, chroma key. That's exactly what it is. I'm going to click OK. So right away you see it's gray behind me. Okay. That means it's working. You can actually use other color screens, and you can actually do a little bit more custom of what type of green. I always start here with green. And then you see I've got some fuzziness. Well, my lighting is kind of poor, and I'm in like a locker room, so I don't have my screen nice and flat. That also helps a lot. But what I can do here is I can move my slim and Larry. So there's green, see? I can move it down. That's not bad. I'm a little fuzzy over here, but that's okay. You can move it like that, and then I can do smoothness. It smooths it out. That's looking pretty good. Color spill reduction. See how it took away color from me. You can do contrast, make me really stand out, brightness. So you're really able to play with this, which is really cool. I still have a little bit of fuzziness up here. And if I actually take my green screen, other side. If I take my green screen and move it, it will actually make it better. So that's something you would do in production. So I'm going to close and boom, there I go. I am at Disney. So from here, so I'm standing right in front of the camera. You might pull this back, okay? If you wanted to stand, you would have to tilt your computer back. And then I would also have to have a higher green screen up here to be able to get my whole body in. You might pull your computer back. So at this point in time, it's about adjusting the screen and adjusting the computer, which is your video camera. So once I'm good, here we go. I am going to click Start Recording. Right now, it is recording. So there we go. I'd be able to record my project, my reading, whatever I'm doing. I do stop recording. And for me, when I go, I have, where am I? I have OBS videos right here. I have it sent right to here. I'm going to make another video to show you how to set up where to send yours. So here is my video recording. Right now, it is recording. So right now it's saved as an MP4 on the Macs. You'd be able to bring it into iMovie, whatever. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos.